Welcome to this training session on date and time transformations in Worc. Many real-world automations rely heavily on time-based logic. Whether you are validating timestamps from incoming data, calculating service deadlines, or generating formatted dates for reports, working with date and time correctly is essential. In this session, we will learn how to use the date and time nodes in Worc through a single connected scenario. By the end of this video, you will understand how to capture the system date and time, validate an incoming timestamp, convert dates into standardized formats, calculate deadlines, measure time differences between events. Let's walk through a practical automation example. Imagine we are building an automation agent for customer support ticket management. The first step is to ensure that the timestamp received from an external system is valid. Incoming data often comes in inconsistent formats. If we process invalid timestamps, the automation may fail. Add the Validate DateTime format node onto the canvas. Suppose the ticket system sends the timestamp. Input DateTime expected format. The node returns true. This confirms the timestamp follows the expected format and can safely be processed. If the format were incorrect, the automation could trigger an error handler or data correction step. Even if a timestamp is valid, different systems may require different date formats. For reporting and internal consistency, we may want to convert the timestamp into a standardized display format. Add the Format DateTime node. This formatted timestamp can now be used in dashboards, notifications, or reports. Next, the automation agent needs to capture the current system time when the ticket is being processed. Drag the Get Current Date and Time node. This node retrieves the exact time when the workflow executes. This timestamp will help us calculate how long the ticket has been waiting. Support teams often have defined SLA response windows. In this example, the system must respond to a ticket within 4 hours. We will calculate the response deadline. Add the Add Time to DateTime node. If the ticket was created at, then the response deadline becomes. Now the system knows exactly when the SLA expires. Now we want to calculate how long the ticket has already been waiting. Add the Subtract Dates node. The node calculates the difference between the two timestamps. This information can be used for SLA monitoring, prioritizing tickets, generating operational metrics. Let's review the automation flow we created. Validate DateTime format. Ensures incoming timestamps follow the expected format. Format DateTime converts timestamps into standardized display formats. Get Current Date and Time. Captures the system timestamp when processing begins. Add Time to DateTime. Calculates the SLA response deadline. Subtract Dates. Determines how long the ticket has been waiting. Together, these nodes allow Worc agents to manage time-sensitive workflows intelligently. When building workflows using date and time nodes, always validate incoming timestamps before processing. Use consistent formats across workflows to avoid mismatches between systems. Store key timestamps in variables early in the workflow to avoid recalculating them. Use date difference calculations for monitoring SLAs, aging reports, and escalation logic. Date and time operations are fundamental in automation workflows. Using the date and time nodes in Worc, you can easily handle timestamp validation, formatting, deadline calculation, and time difference analysis within your agents.